To make or create a poll on your Facebook page or group, let's launch the app. Now, you're going to either go to the group or switch to your page. And then just go to the update status section. Now, you're going to scroll down in these options at the bottom, and from here, just select poll. All right, so first, you're going to type in the question and then put down your preferred option or answers relevant to that question for which people can vote. If you want, along with that, you can post relevant photos to your options. You can also add more options in that poll, and also you can allow people to choose multiple options. Now, after that, you can write something as a description in the Create a Poll section. Now, here, you can use hashtags, add dates, mention someone, whatever you want. Now, hit Enter when you're done. Some additional customization options will be there, like you can set your audience, and then you can either schedule the option for a future time, or you can set the poll to publish right now. As you can see, you can also toggle on the Share Story option to automatically share to story. And if you have any collaboration with any brand partner, you can also tag them in your poll. And finally, just hit Post to publish your poll. And that's it, your poll is now posted. Once people start voting, you'll be able to see the results directly on the poll options. Thanks for watching.